So I'm going to show you exactly how you can make money on Tapmob without promoting anything or without even having any sort of traffic at all. And this method is actually quite easy to do, but you want to make sure that you watch this full video so you don't miss out on any of the important steps. So the very first thing that we need to do is go ahead and open our Tapmob account. Now once we're in our Tapmob account, as you can see, we have a lot of offers, and then the generic method is just to pick a random offer from our offers section. Why is my page not loading? Right over here. So the generic method would just be pick a random offer such as this one, Cash App 750, and then promote this offer to other people, and then you'll get paid $3 or whatever the payout is when someone does the specific action. However, with this method, you don't need to promote really anything, you just collect passive income, and it's actually quite easy to do. So with Tapmob, it is an invite only, meaning that in order for someone to join Tapmob, they need someone to get referred to. So with this method, you want to go over to the home page and then click on your profile picture on the top left hand corner, and then go ahead and copy your ID for your Tapmob account. Mine is going to be 92446, and then just promote that ID on social media, telling people that if they want to make a Tapmob account, use my code right over here, ID, and then just type in your referral code, which is in my case 92446. And then if you get enough people to make Tapmob accounts using your referral code, the thing with Tapmob is that they'll pay you 5% of what whoever you refer to earns. So let's say you referred a lot of people over on social media, or let's say you got like 100 people to make Tapmob accounts using your ID. That's 5% of all those 100 people's incomes. And let's say a lot of them make a decent amount of money on Tapmob. There you go. You didn't really do any work at all, and just collect all the money that's coming in through their accounts. So that's pretty much a really legit and awesome method. It's just to promote your ID and make people create Tapmob accounts using your own referral.